Hello everyone, my name is Fuseini Salifu. I'm born and bred in Ghana. I'm married with one child. I have bachelor's degree in land economy from Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology. I graduated in 2013. After graduation, I had the opportunity to work for a period of 3 years with Office of Administrator of Stool Lands and Community Land and Development Foundation. Having worked for a period of some times, I had opportunity through Netherlands Fellowship Program to pursue my master's degree in Geoinformation Science and Earth Observation for Land Administration at the University of Twente. I graduated in 2018 and I immediately came back to Ghana to help develop my country. When I came to Ghana, I was employed with Lands Commission to help in the digitalization drive of the Lands Commission. I've worked there for a period of 2 years, and then I was employed with Council for Scientific and Industrial Research under Building and Road Research Institute as Assistant Research Scientist, where I conduct research into the area of land governance, land administration, innovative approaches of land tenure documentation. So now, I've worked cumulatively for a period of 10 years across board, and then I'm well knowledgeable in the Ghanaian context, and I can conduct PhD thesis in this area. What is my motivation for the Grow Project? My motivation for the Grow Project is for the motivation of African development. So I seek to use innovative approaches for land tenure documentation to address critical land issues in Ghana and foster economic development. My research lies in the intersection of land rights documentation initiatives, informal financial markets, and economic development. So what is the research problem? The research problem is that there are ongoing innovative approaches that are being piloted in developing countries. And these innovative approaches are pro-poor in nature, and they will help to document land rights of smallholder farmers and the poor people in a faster and a cheaper manner. For example, currently there's a Netherlands company that is currently piloting innovative approaches in Ghana. So how these innovative approaches interact with the existing institution is not known. Also, how these innovative approaches guarantee land tenure security is also under study. And also, the byproduct of these innovative approaches, such as land certificates, how they are used by the local people to mobilize source of finance to develop their farms, is not also known. So this research aimed at exploring the dynamic interactions between varying level of land tenure documentation packages, informal financial practices, and economic development across both rural and urban areas. In this research, both qualitative and quantitative research methods will be employed to conduct this research. Then after getting this PhD project and having completed it, I'll come back to Ghana to help the acceleration of the economic development of the country. I also have to collaborate with international organizations in the area of research, having also established tremendous networks during the PhD project. And I also come back to also be a part-time lecturer with a new university that has been instituted by the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, so that I will keep on mentoring and training generational thinkers that will help to alleviate or accelerate the economic development of Ghana and African context in general. Thank you very much. I appreciate everything. Bye-bye.